Hey there, and welcome to this explainer. I am so thrilled you're here. Today, I'm stepping right into the role of your supportive but, very direct career coach. We're going to tackle something that is probably on your mind right now, and that's the very real anxiety about artificial intelligence and your job security. My goal is to equip you with the knowledge to navigate these huge changes with confidence, using real data and insights as our guide. Basically, we're going to build a survival kit together. Sound good?
Let's just start right out of the gate with a tough question. Is your job future-proof? I mean, if you've been glancing at the headlines lately, you've probably noticed some pretty alarming trends. We're talking tech giants like Microsoft, Intel, and TCS reportedly cutting tens of thousands of jobs. And this is happening in places like India, but really, it's all over the globe. Now, companies are throwing around a lot of corporate buzzwords to explain away these cuts, but a lot of experts are pointing to one massive underlying driver. You guessed it, AI.
Now, take a deep breath for this next part. According to the investment bank Goldman Sachs, up to 300 million jobs could be replaced by AI by the year 2030. Yeah, 300 million. That is a staggering, sobering statistic. It's exactly the kind of number that literally makes you stop in your tracks and completely reevaluate your entire career trajectory.
Just to put that into perspective for a second, 300 million jobs translates to 18% of all work globally. That's almost 1 in 5 jobs. So, if you're feeling a real sense of fear right now, I want to validate that for you. It's completely rational to look at that 18% and wonder, wait, do my daily tasks fall into that slice of the pie? But hey, that is exactly why we're here today. We are going to shift out of that anxiety and right into a strategic coaching session.
Look, if you're scared of losing your job to AI, I promise you, you are not alone. Let me offer a little empathetic reframing here. This anxiety is entirely normal. It is shared by millions of people worldwide right now. But treating AI like some kind of impending doom, that's not going to protect your livelihood. Understanding it, however, absolutely will. So, let's set the stage for building out that personalized career survival kit.
All right, let's dive into our first step, the audit. We need to honestly assess AI's strengths versus our own human strengths. Before we can actually protect your job, we have to break down the exact dynamic we're dealing with. In a nutshell, AI is just incredibly fast. It absolutely thrives on repetitive tasks and processing massive amounts of data. Honestly, it's fundamentally better than us at things like data analysis, language translation, and image recognition, simply because it spots patterns in huge information sets that our human eyes completely miss. But here's the good news. We humans still hold a massive edge. We possess emotional intelligence, genuine empathy, complex ethics, and true creativity. I mean, think about it. AI can process 1 billion data points in a single second, but it still can't figure out how to draw a normal-looking human hand. It doesn't genuinely understand feelings or values or imagination, and that right there is your irreplaceable human edge.
Okay, moving right along to step 2, assessing your risk. Let's figure out exactly where you stand in all of this.
Now that we've compared those strengths, it's time to shift the focus directly to your specific career. Here is a beautifully simple diagnostic rule of thumb for you. If your role involves highly repetitive tasks and follows very clear, rigid rules, the chances are incredibly high that it can and probably will be done by AI. You need to be really honest with yourself as you apply this formula to your current 9 to 5. Ask yourself, am I operating like a machine? Because if you are, a literal machine is going to be faster.
Let's look at some specific fields facing disruption right now. Historically, machines came from manual labor, but today, AI is coming for data-driven, white-collar jobs. We're talking law, finance, engineering. We're also seeing major vulnerabilities in manufacturing and customer service. Just think about how insanely capable AI chatbots have become lately. Even basic IT tasks like data entry, along with logistics and transportation, especially with the rise of autonomous vehicles, are sitting squarely in the danger zone.
But let's relieve some of that tension, okay? Let's talk about the safe zones. If you're working in childcare, education, healthcare, counseling, or creative design, your position is largely in a safe zone. And why is that? Because these roles rely heavily on genuine human intuition, complex human interaction, and deeply held values. An algorithm cannot hold a frightened child's hand, it can't intuitively understand a patient's unspoken pain, and it certainly can't conjure a brand new emotionally resonant design out of thin air. So as your coach, I want you to start thinking right now about how you can start building skills in these uniquely human areas.
All right, this brings us to step 3, the pivot. This is your career transition roadmap.
Okay, it is time to turn up the energy a bit. We are shifting the narrative away from playing defense entirely over to playing offense. If you happen to be stuck in one of those highly repetitive jobs we talked about, here is your practical roadmap to transition out of the high-risk roles and safely into those safe zones. Step 1. Identify the uniquely human edge that you want to build. Maybe that's empathy, or complex problem solving, or interpersonal communication. Step 2. Aggressively automate the boring, repetitive parts of your current job. Seriously, let the algorithms do the heavy lifting for you. And Step 3. Use the time you just saved to practice those new, human-centric skills. Let AI handle your basic data entry while you go take a course in project management, counseling, or creative design.
So how do we actually put this into practice today? Well, even if you don't strictly need AI tools for your current job right now, you need to start using them as a bridge to your next career. Have an AI text assistant draft your daily reports so you suddenly have an extra hour in your day to network or to learn a new interpersonal skill. Try playing around with image generators to boost a creative project you're working on. And if you really want to stand out to future employers, consider getting certified in AI-related skills. You want to be the person who is directing the machine, leveraging it to transition into a much more strategic, human-focused role.
Finally, let's take a look at the broader future landscape and find where the real opportunities are hiding.
As we begin to wrap up this coaching session, I really want to stress this. Do not panic about those doomsday predictions. The absolute crucial point here is that AI needs humans too. It doesn't just run itself. In fact, it is actively creating entirely new, highly sought-after career paths. Roles for machine learning engineers, data scientists, and AI managers are absolutely booming right now. So, if you are willing to pivot and upskill, there is an entire frontier of high-paying, secure jobs just waiting to be filled by people who understand how to manage this technology.
In fact, current forecasts predict that even though many jobs will inevitably be lost, more new ones will actually be created. AI isn't going anywhere. You can view it as this terrifying threat, or you can view it as an incredibly powerful tool to shape the future of work for the better. The determining factor? Well, that's you. It's all about cultivating the right skill set, staying relentlessly curious, and adapting as these new technologies continue to evolve.
Which brings us to our final provocative thought. I want you to genuinely reflect on this as you go about your day. How has AI already changed your work? And what are your immediate next steps to adapt? You've got the roadmap now. You know exactly where your human edge lies, and you know how to upskill and transition. It is time to take full control of your career journey. Thank you so much for joining me for this explainer, and I will see you next time.